Hey guys, so the Phonemax R4 GT is a mini compact rugged phone that packs a powerful punch despite its small size. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz, the R4 GT delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks and demanding applications. With 8GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage, you have plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. And trust me, these are just a few top specifications of the R4 GT. Before moving on, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore the other top features of the R4 GT. So the device has a 4.3-inch display that offers a crisp and clear viewing experience, perfect for staying connected on the go. And with its rugged design, you can take it anywhere without worrying about damage. The phone is IP68 and IP69K certified for dust and water resistance, and it meets MIL SCD 810H standards for shock and vibration resistance. One of the R4 GT's standard features is its thermal imaging camera. This camera allows you to see in the dark and detect heat sources, making it a valuable tool for outdoor activities and emergency situations. The phone also has a 64MP autofocus main camera and a 20MP night vision camera for capturing stunning photos and videos in any lighting conditions. And its front-facing camera is 13MP, which should be suitable to take stunning selfie shots. When it comes to connectivity, the R4 GT has you covered with NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 5, and OTG support. The phone also supports GPS and other navigation systems for accurate positioning, and the device is backed by a 3200 mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging as well as 15 watts wireless charging. Now, this battery capacity is quite large for a compact device, and it is expected to last at least a day on a single charge. Finally, the phone ships with the latest Android 14. So these are the top features of the Phonemax R4 GT. Overall, the R4 GT is a well-rounded rugged phone that offers a great combination of performance, features, and durability. So if you're looking for a compact and a powerful phone that can withstand the elements, the R4 GT should be an excellent choice. But it's currently not available. It's expected to launch before the end of the year. So what are your thoughts about the R4 GT? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.